An investigation is underway at the University of Kentucky after an employee was removed from teaching. This comes as the university addresses allegations of what it calls disturbing conduct appearing to target people of Israel.
The incident is sparking outrage from members of Kentucky's Jewish community, but the professor at the center of it says he's being misunderstood. Many Jewish students at UK say they take pride in their faith, but also feel fear. Rabbi Shlomo Litvin, who leads the Jewish Student Center, says some students feel unsafe speaking up or even wearing religious symbols on campus.
I have had students who have told me there are certain professors that I'm afraid to say I need a day off for Yom Kippur, the holiest day of the Jewish year. I'm afraid to wear a yarmulke or a Star of David in his class because if I'm Jewish, I'll be treated differently.
Right now, a UK law professor is under investigation for a petition posted to a site called the Anti-Zionist Legal Studies Movement. The petition, created by Professor Ramsey Woodcock, calls for every country in the world to make war on Israel until it surrenders to Palestine. The website calls itself a safe space to discuss ending Israel and freeing Palestine.
When we watch a population of 2 million people being slaughtered, when we see that, I think it is immoral, frankly, not to call for the international community to intervene militarily to save these people who are literally being starved to death by the Israeli government right now, and furthermore, to liberate them.
Rabbi Litvin says this call for violence is hurtful, but not shocking.
To many students who have gone through multiple issues on campus, who have gone through bomb threats against the Jewish Student Center, vandalism, violence, people being attacked, people being harassed, to having a figure of power, especially for those in law school, power over their grades, power over their future, share such hateful and violent rhetoric is disturbing.
While he didn't name Woodcock, UK President Eli Capilouto sent a letter to campus calling the petition anti-Semitic and hateful. Woodcock, who spoke with us in a personal capacity, says Capilouto's message was defaming and outrageous.
He never spoke to me about it, never reached out to me in advance to talk about it. He never asked me, never asked to understand my views. He clearly didn't read the website because he would not find anything of that nature on the website.
Woodcock says his views laid out on the website were not written with any intent to spread hate towards the Jewish community.
They have no animus towards Jewish people. They have an animus towards oppression, apartheid, genocide, and colonization. And these Zionist organizations that engage in this kind of defamation, they know that.
The school is launching an independent legal review, updating its web policies and promising to protect those involved from retaliation. Woodcock says he's cooperating fully with the investigation.